फैलिस गेमिंग वाले एयर और स्वागत है आप लोगों का लोन वुल्फ। जी हाँ, ये एक नया गेम है जो एक स्टोरी टाइप गेम है। जी हाँ, एक स्टोरी टाइप गेम। उसके बारे में मुझे ज़्यादा तो नहीं पता, अब आपको अगर ज़्यादा जानना है तो गेम में एंटर करते हैं। ओके, जूम जूम पट से हेडशॉट नहीं, मतलब पट से ना। मिशन कंप्लीट। चैप्टर 1। ओ, इसकी और भी चैप्टर्स हैं। नाइस यार। Meeting in easy place to dump a body dark, isolated right above a river. I admit it was dumb for me to meet him away out here, but if Emily is right about that, this could be the killer we were looking for. You were wearing my mask. Emily told me I would be meeting Mando here. We don't send our leader. You will meet Mando in time. My job is to make sure you are who Emily says you are. And who are you? I speak for the Assembly Mando's right-hand man, if you will. You can call me Midman. I am only here because Emily said you are the best. I just need to find out myself if he is right. Let's get to work then. Lawyers are the natural enemies for the Assembly. One lawyer in particular, Richard Carter, a major problem. We, we want Richard Carter to back off the Assembly. His legal assistant is meeting one of our guys at Planet Cafe. Richard Carter is known for his cases against the Assembly. We are giving him a wake-up call by killing his legal assistant. I know this is a short notice, and meet me here tomorrow, same time. Good luck. Try not to bring the police with you tomorrow. Oh, कुछ बड़ा करने वाला है guys. Okay. Kill the legal assistant. हमारा दूसरा मिशन है kill the legal assistant. No leads, no witnesses, no evidence. This lonesome man performed a beautiful. Crime was surrounded by mystery. Questions only lead to more questions. This was excellent news for the Assembly. We may have found a ghost that can kill. कितने पागल हो तुम लोग, ghost आता भी नहीं है. But I still don't fully trust him. Have you seen the paper? The police have not found anything. Although it has only been one day, evidence may turn up during the investigation. Obviously, एक दिन में क्या वो लोग कर लेंगे? हो सकता है कि कुछ हो. There is nothing to find. I spoke with Mando. He is convinced the hit was perfect. Don't waste my time. Look, the Assembly, very high standard. All right, I'm gone. Mando, it's me. When he is coming in, I want to meet the kid. I told him you are not convinced. He walked in. You better be. Joking. We need to stay in control. He came to us. Yes, we need him. But I believe for some reasons he needs some more. Get Ham with how the will you even? I have feeling he will find. Kill the lawyer. Okay, Phallus. अब हमारा दूसरा मिशन है, तीसरा मिशन है लॉयर को किल करना. वो रहा लॉयर. जाने से पहले हेडशॉट. सही है. Police have identified the victim of the courthouse shooting, Richard Carter. As Richard Carter is notorious, bring down the Assembly gang members. Mando Loanful is communicating with us. What do you mean? Richard Carter has been shot. Find it, Loanful. Killing Richard Carter was a message of loud and clear. Oh, he's proving that he's the real deed and slapping me in the face for questioning it. तो वो खुद को बचाना नहीं, मतलब खुद को बताना चाहता है कि वो खुद ही बहुत बड़ा बॉस है. The only problem is that I have no way to contact him. I'm starting to think waiting on this damn bridge is pointless. Ring, 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 ring. Are you done wasting my time? Richard Carter, how did you? You are welcome. I suppose I have underestimated you. Last chance with me, man. I made a mistake. Now listen, we have a job for you. No, until I meet Mando. Mando requested you for this job. It is further urgent. An urgent job. I could have been gone. You are damn good, but aren't you our killer? After the job I made, Mr. Wong's run a laundry. He has to run the laundry, so we need to be but he will have the security. Take out the security so I can get the Mr. Wong. Kill all security. Yes, fellas. Yeah. अब इसकी सिक्योरिटी को शायद यहाँ से कोई आने वाला है। Boom! Mission accomplished. Yes! ओके फॉलोअर्स, तो मुझे लगता है आज के इस एपिसोड के लिए बस इतना ही। आई होप आप लोगों को मज़ा आया होगा। अगर इसके और एपिसोड्स चाहिए तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना नोटिफिकेशन बेल के साथ। और मैं चला इसका अगला पार्ट बनाने, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।